What is up, guys? Reckless Turtle. It's been a while since I've made a video because I don't know. For 1 month I've been gone, but I haven't made a video in like 4 months. But just cause I don't know, just cause um, they're hard to edit and stuff, and then half the time when they export, they don't export all the way. But today we're going to be playing Build a Boat for Treasure. Um, it's a game where you have to build a boat and go down these like rocks and stuff and obstacles, and you can't control it either. So and then you have to try and get to the treasure. So I've been playing for a few hours, just grabbing some stuff. So I have quite a bit of stuff. I have a whole bunch of iron 51. I've only made it to the treasure once, and it was just a few minutes ago, which is why I decided to make this video. So we are going to build something cool. I don't know what. Yeah, I think some sort of animal. So I'm gonna go ask my brother what I should build that's an animal, and I'll be right back. Oh yeah, and I don't know why my legs are all messed up. That just happened. I'll fix them later. Okay, he said a wolf. So we're gonna build an iron wolf. So I'm gonna make the feet out of my second strongest resource, which I think is stone, but I'm not sure. So yeah, I'm gonna make the feet out of the second strongest resource that I have, which is either stone or quartz. I'm gonna make it out of quartz just because sometimes wolves are white. So it's gonna be like a multicolored wolf, just because I don't know how many resources I'm gonna have. So, but it'll still look fairly like a wolf. Right, they're back. Okay, so here is where I'm going to start it in metal, because this is where I'm actually going to be standing. Because it's the body. So yeah, I'm gonna make this part in metal, this stuff, and then I'll be back when I finish. Okay, so we are done. It looks pretty terrible, and it looks more like a dog than a wolf. But it's not about what it looks like. It's about how sturdy it is, I guess. These notifications need to get out of here. Okay, so ready? 3, 2, 1. Like a dog than a wolf, and it doesn't really look like any kind of animal because I don't have that many materials. But put a top on. Oh no, I can't, because if I do that, then it looks ugly. But anyway, we are going to set sail and hope that my boat does not fall over. Okay. I don't have anything. Cogs, or gears, whatever you want to call them. Yeah, and then there's one part where it's a UFO, and then you can't, they'll like suck up the pieces off your boat. Break it. Okay. Oh no, his leg. Oh no, I hate these things. Well, actually, no, I don't, because I've never actually seen what they do, but I'm pretty sure that they just shoot lasers. But I don't think I'm tall enough for them to detect me. Alright, this part's just free sailing. Oh, where are we? Oh, Candyland. So the caramel is going to lift us up like this. Oh no, I've lost a leg. We're going to start toppling over to our right at some point. Oh. So if you listen to the noise, that noise, just a dum dum, means that you broke the rock and that your health on your block is depleting. But then if you hear like a cracking noise, then that means that you Sorry, that means that something on your boat broke. Oh no! Shoot somebody else. Shoot my tail. Don't shoot in my head. Oh. Okay, so far they've been missing. Oh no. Oh no, don't shoot my head, don't shoot my head. Okay, what's next? UFOs? Oh yeah, I think UFOs are next. Or maybe lava, actually. Oh, mine. Bombs, 8 bombs. No, I'm coming at 2 right now. Explode my head. Don't explode me. See what I'm talking about? When the lava comes, it'd actually be good that I toppled over, that way my floor isn't melting. But see, now my head is taking all the damage. I don't even have a face anymore. See, look, it looks better with this. I should have just not put a face on it. I need to get the paintbrush so that I can make it look like an actual dog. Oh no, what was that? Oh, his face. Oh no, my chair! Oh my god, that's right where my chair was. I just stay in the corner. Oh, the octopus is, I think. Oh no, it's this one. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No. Get back in the boat. Okay. It's okay, it's okay. Alright, I'm gonna pause it for a little bit just to, consist of time, like, save time, basically, because I only am allowed to record for 15 minutes, so. Okay, well, I died and I got 60 gold, so, let's open a chest. Okay, so, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys play this game too. It's called Build a Boat for Treasure. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. You guys are the viewers. I'm Reckless Turtle. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and subscribe. Peace out. Notification.